Good afternoon, students. In continuation of photoelectric effect, we have one more topic, spectrum. It is also one of the important question, 5 marks question. Okay, spectrum. What is the meaning of spectrum? How we will get the spectrum? How many types of spectrums are there? Okay, here the spectrum is used for spectrum used for the identification of elements, identification of organic molecules. In chemistry, so many spectrums are there. UV spectra is there, IR spectra is there. UV means ultraviolet spectra, IR spectra, NMR spectra, nucleus magnetic resonance spectra. Along with that, mass spectra. We have different types of spectra. UV spectra used for the identification of unsaturation. IR spectra used for the identification of functional group. NMR spectra used for the identification of nucleus, hydrogen nucleus, phosphorus nucleus, carbon nucleus. Mass spectra used for the identification of mass of that particular molecule. By using all those spectra, we have to identify the organic molecules, we have to identify an elements. What is the meaning of spectrum? When an electromagnetic radiation passes through nickel prism, here we get one picture with 7 colors. One picture with 7 colors. Okay, we are seeing this spectra we call as visible spectrum. This observe just like rainbow. Observe, it contains 7 colors: V, I, B, C, Y, O, R. We observe the VCR. Okay, here violet is the shorter wavelength. The frequency of this one is 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14. Red color is higher wavelength. The frequency of this one is 4 into 10 to the power of 14 Hz. Okay, here which has higher wavelength? That deviated more. Which are higher wavelength? That is deviated less. Which are lower wavelength? That deviate more. With the different frequencies. Here, electromagnetic radiation produces white color light. When white color light processes through the prism, will get this spectrum. This colored picture we call as spectra. The study of various spectra we call as spectroscopy. It is also called spectroscopy. The study of various spectrum we call spectroscopy. And here, okay, this is the discontinuous spectrum. It is a continuous spectrum. Here we get continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum means after violet color. V means violet color, I means yellow color, B means blue color, G means green color, Y means yellow color, or O means orange, red. Okay, here there is no difference between, there is no separate line line between violet and indigo, blue and green. But blue overlap on green, I overlap on blue, violet overlap on indigo, orange overlap on red color. That's why it is called as continuous spectrum. That's why we call as continuous spectrum. Okay, for example, if any object, this is an object, absorbs some energy, and it emits also some energy. The absorbed energy we call as absorption energy. Emitted energy we call as emitted energy. Emitted energy. If you pass absorbed energy through a prism, we get here absorption spectrum. If you pass emitted energy, for example, it absorbs blue color light, then it emits white color. It absorbs green color, it emits blue color. Different wavelength light it emits. That emit energy, we pass it through this spectrum, we pass it through prism, we get here emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Okay, what is the absorption spectrum? When we pass absorbed energy through prism, we get continuous or discontinuous. Okay, this may be of two types, continuous or discontinuous spectrum. Here, emission also same. When we pass the emitted energy through prism, we get here picture. That picture we call as emission spectrum. And here it may be continuous or it may be discontinuous spectrum. Continuous, discontinuous spectrum. Okay, here this continuous, discontinuous, that is different. Continuous means like VCR. Discontinuous spectrum means this is the continuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum means, see, this is the picture. Here, this is the one color. This is another color. This is the one more color. This is the one more color. Here 5 colors are there. Okay, here separated with this one, this line. This we call as discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum. And when you get the emission spectrum, and this emission spectrum observed in excited state only. What is the meaning of excited state? Every atom exhibits two states. One is ground state and excited state. For example, here I am taking atom. It absorbs the energy. Okay, here normal state. This state we call ground state. When it absorbs energy, moves towards another state, high energy level state. That high energy level state we call as excited state. This is excited state. Here in excited state, all atoms, electrons or molecules or any other unstable. All these atoms, okay, definitely comes to the ground state by the emit energy. That energy we call as emitted energy. Emitted energy. If emitted energy passes through a spectrum, we get emission spectrum. And here, atom shows spectrum. Atom forms different spectra. Molecule forms different spectra. Here also say every human being has special character. Like that, every atom, every molecule has characteristic spectra. Every atom or every molecule or every organic molecule or inorganic molecule have characteristic spectra. Here, atoms forms one spectra we called atomic spectra. Atomic spectra also called as line spectrum. Line spectrum. How we get the line spectrum? Okay, here in line spectrum we observe like this. Bright lines are observed on dark screen. Bright lines are observed on dark screen. See, I will show that one. It is a dark screen. It is dark screen. Okay, here in line spectrum, a dark screen, we observe the bright lines like this. This is also continuous or it may be discontinuous spectrum. This is we called line spectrum. Molecular spectrum is a characteristic property of molecules. Okay, it forms band spectrum. Okay, this band spectrum forms. Okay, here dark lines are formed on the bright screen. Dark lines are formed on bright screen. Here forms band. This is the band. This may be discontinuous or continuous spectrum. This may be discontinuous or continuous spectrum. See here. What are the differences between line spectrum and band spectrum? Line spectrum is characteristic property of atom. Band spectrum is a characteristic of property of molecule. Okay, line spectrum. Lines are formed. Which lines? Bright lines are formed on the dark screen. Bright lines are formed on the dark screen. Here, okay, dark lines are formed on the bright screen. On the bright screen. This is about the just explanation of the absorption spectra and emission spectra. What is the difference between atomic spectra, molecular spectra, line spectra and band spectra. Then in continuation we will see the atomic spectra of or line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Line spectrum of hydrogen atom. And by using all these spectroscopy spectrums, Bunsen burner we call Bunsen, one of the scientists. Okay, identify cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, scandium, all those elements identified in nature. We'll see the one more important spectrum, that is hydrogen line spectrum. This is compulsory question for 5 marks. Line spectrum, hydrogen line spectrum, line spectrum of hydrogen atom. We will see any other line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Here, see, first, here I am taking hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, this hydrogen gas present in ground state. It absorbs energy, get into excited state, move into excited state. Excited state. When it comes back, it emits energy. That energy passes through prism. Here, we'll get the hydrogen line spectrum in recorder. Hydrogen line spectrum in recorder. First line which is absorbed hydrogen spectrum by Balmer in 1885 at visible region. That line is called, the spectrum is called Balmer spectrum or Balmer line. And here, the spectral lines represented in the form of wave number. The spectral lines represented in the form of wave number. Wave number indicated with U bar, or it is also indicated with 1 by lambda. And he gave one relation between spectral lines and wave number. We'll see Balmer equation for the hydrogen line spectrum. Okay, mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda Okay. Balmer proposed one equation for this hydrogen line spectrum is Balmer equation. Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 109,677 by 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square. Okay, here wave number na per centimeter. Here n is equal to, here 2 na, n is equal to, it may be 3, it may be 4, or it may be 5, so on. After the moving so many years, okay, Rydberg also proposed or generalized this equation, Balmer equation. Okay, he generalized or proposed one equation for the hydrogen line spectrum. That equation we called Rydberg equation. That equation we called Rydberg equation. See, what is the Rydberg equation? Say, mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square per centimeter. Here r is equal to Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant, its value is 109,677. And here n1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. n2 is equal to start with 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And here, by applying these digits, we'll get the different lines. First, we'll apply 1 here, we'll get the Lyman series. Lyman series. Okay, here apply 2. Here 2 na. That means Balmer series. Balmer series of lines. Okay, if you apply 3. Okay, Balmer Passion series of lines. If you apply 4 Bracket series of lines, and if you apply 5 Font series of lines, we get the different series in hydrogen spectrum. What are those? 5 series are there. One more 6 series is there. We call Humphrey series. Humphrey series. Okay, here this Lyman series is observed at visible region. Sorry, UV region in spectra. Balmer series is observed at visible region. I said here visible region. Passion series observed at near IR region, infrared region. Okay, Bracket series observed middle IR region. Okay, here Font series observed far IR region. Okay, this is out of IR region. All these series are observed different regions. In examination point of view, they ask one more question. Balmer series observed at which region? Okay, Passion series observed at which region? Then ask one more question like that. Okay, these are the different series of lines. How many series of lines are there? 6 series of lines are formed. What are those? Lyman series of lines. Next, Balmer series of lines. Next, Passion series of lines. Next, Bracket series of lines. Next, Font series of lines. 5 series of lines will formed. When these series of lines are formed, we'll see here. Okay. And here I am drawing hydrogen line spectrum. Hydrogen line spectrum. Here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, level. Here n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 7. Distance is same. Okay, this is the hydrogen. You see, when Lyman series is formed, when Balmer series is formed, and here when Passion series is formed, all these series. See, energy, hydrogen atom absorb the energy at ground state and move into excited state. When it come back, it emits the energy and forms this series of lines. When here this equation n1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 contribution, so on. When okay, here electron jumped from 7th level to 1st level, 6th level to 1st level, okay, seventh level to first level means n1 is equal to 1 here. Sorry, here n1 is equal to 1 only. n2 is equal to, it may be 2. See, we'll see in continuation. It first 7 excited state, it is ground state. n1 is ground state, n2 is excited state. See here, it may be 7th to first level, 6th to first level, 5th to first level, next 4th to first level, okay, 5th to first level, 4th to first level, 3rd to first level, and 2nd to first level. This line 2, this line 3, n2 values, 4, 5, 6, 7. n1 is only 1. This series of lines we called as Lyman series. Here I am writing L Y M A N N or MEN, Lyman series. Lyman series. Next, okay, this is observed at UV region. UV region. Okay. Next. Okay, men or man both are same. Next. Okay, if line may be ground state, if hydrogen ground state at second position, that means n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Okay, here n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means, okay, here electron may be jumped from higher 7th level to 2nd level. Okay, here 6th level to 6th level to 2nd level, 5th level to 2nd level, 4th level to 2nd level, 3rd level to 2nd level. This series of lines we called Balmer series. This is observed at visible region. This is we called visible region, observed at visible region, and we called Balmer series of lines. When an electron jumped from higher energy level to, all these are higher energy level, to 2nd energy level, we called Balmer series of lines. Here, this is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line, this is the fourth line, this is the fifth line. Next, if electron jumped from higher energy level to 3rd energy level, 7th to 3rd, here n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. This is observed at near IR region. See here. This is the near IR region. Near IR. And here we got this one. But Passion series. Near IR region. And here Passion series. Okay, if any electron jumped from higher energy level to 3rd energy level, we called that one Passion series of lines. Okay, observe it near IR region. If an electron jumped from 7th energy level to 4th energy level, 6th to 4th, 5th to 4th, here n1 is equal to 4, n2 is equal to 5, 6, 7, so on. This spectral lines observed at middle IR. Middle IR. This we call as bracket series. Middle IR bracket series of lines. Here n1 values all these are. Next, okay, if electron jumped from 7th to 5th, this is observed at far IR region, and here we call fund series of lines. Here n1 is equal to 5, n2 is equal to 6, 7, so on. This we call fund series of lines. Here, if an electron jumped from 7th to 6th, 8th to 6th, nowadays we have only up to 7 levels, we don't have 8th level. Okay, here n1 is equal to 6, n2 is equal to 7, so on. This series of lines we observed out of IR, and this series of lines we call Humphreys series of lines. All lines are observed when hydrogen electron get excited into excited state, when it come back, it lose energy, it emits energy. That energy passes through spectra. Here we get this complete spectrum. This spectrum can be explained by using Rydberg equation. And Rydberg also proposed this line spectrum, Balmer line spectrum and Rydberg line spectrum of hydrogen atom. And 6 series of lines are observed when we pass the energy, emitted energy through prism. Okay, all first Lyman series. Series means group of lines we called as series. Group of lines we called as series. That is observed at UV region in electromagnetic spectra. Balmer series of lines observed at visible region. Next, Paschen series of lines observed at near IR region. Next, okay, here bracket series of lines observed middle IR region. Fund series of lines observed far IR region. Humphreys series of lines observed at out of IR region. Out of IR region. See, this is the complete picture. You take screenshot and write. This is the complete hydrogen spectrum. It's an important one, compulsory 5 marks. Okay, thank you.